All right, happy Tuesday, guys. We're continuing on with the idea of angle relationships in circles. And so one of your assignments today, as a part of this ed puzzle that you guys are doing, is to go onto Carnegie. So you guys are more than welcome to go onto Carnegie right now, kind of do a split screen, because I'm going to try to walk through what this is talking about, the lesson that you're going to be doing today is, okay? All right, so you guys will go, and some of you guys might have gotten this done, but some of you guys may not have. But we're going to be doing angles of an inscribed quadrilateral, which is the fourth lesson on Carnegie that you guys are supposed to get done. Okay, so we're going to press let's go. All right. And so one of the things that you guys are going to be doing is you're going to be trying to fulfill this proof. And this proof is talking about the idea of why angle Q and angle A are supplementary. So the key word about supplementary is that supplementary means that they equal 180 degrees. Okay? All right, so the first thing that we know is that quadrilateral quad is an inscribed in circle O. So inscribed means that it's inside the circle O. Okay? All right, so we are talking about measure of arc UKD. Okay? The measure of arc UKD. So if you guys remember, we talked about how the arc, or that your angle is equal to half the arc. Okay, or another way to think about this is that the arc equals twice the angle. Okay, so if we're looking at this arc UKD, okay, the measure of UQD should equal twice the measure of this angle right here. Okay, so that's saying that it's going to be UAD. Okay, or in this case, we're going to be saying it's twice the measure of angle A. Okay, and we got the check mark there. All right, so we know that the measure of UKD, or UQD, I don't know why I keep on saying that, plus the measure of UAD should equal 360 because a circle is 360, but the sum of those two arcs should equal 360. Okay. All right, so we're going to click on a circle is 360 degrees, right? So what we did is we said that the measure of UQD is 2 times the measure of angle A, and then we said the measure of UAD is 2 times the measure of Q. So we replaced this with this, this with this. This should equal 360 degrees. Okay. So in this case, we did 2 times the measure of angle A plus 2 times the measure of angle Q equals 360. What we did is we did something called factored two out of both of these quantities. So what we're actually using is we're using the distributive property. Okay. And if we divide both sides by 2, what do we get? We get angle, the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle Q will equal 180 degrees. Okay. And we're done with that proof. So this is showing that angle Q and angle A are supplementary. That means they equal 180. So let's just look at this example, and then you guys could try this, okay? All right, so we're looking here. So we're saying that this angle is 75 degrees, and we're trying to find out what angle D is. So these are opposite angles. So I know that angle B plus angle D is going to equal 180. Opposite angles are supplementary, okay? Opposite angles equal 180, okay? So I know that 75 plus something is going to equal 180. So what is that something? Well, it's going to have to be 105, okay? But the key thing here, guys, is that opposite angles will always equal 180. So we'll type in for angle D, in my case, is 105. Okay? And then we're going to keep on doing the same until you guys get green check marks all across, okay? So hopefully this helps out. Have a great day.